Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you and guide you how you can easily form your own LLC in Hawaii. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it, you will get on the site called Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you with the whole process of creating your own LLC. And also I always say that when you're starting a business, you should focus on actually making the money, creating value for the people, and not taking care of accounting and like figuring out how to start a business. You should outsource it and not trying to micromanage everything. So Incfile is a big helper for that. Now the first thing I want to do when you're gonna enter Incfile, you want to click here, Start My Business. Then you're gonna have an LLC here and state of formation. Then you just have to find Hawaii here. When you have it, you see that you're going to have the silver, gold, or platinum version. With the silver, you would have $51, and then you would have a preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But here with the gold, and this is something that I recommend, not only then that you would have these three things, you would have IRS form, business tax number, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, also the unlimited phone and email support, and the one thing that I really recommend is a business tax consultation. You can see it right here. And this is the one that I would recommend. And then you get also the platinum. Platinum version is really great if you want to have your company make quickly. So let's say in a few days, not weeks. And also if you need business contract templates. So I will just write now the gold one, but if you want, you can go with the platinum. That's completely up to you. But I recommend these two. Get the gold package. And here I'm going to add a first name and last name. So I'll go Marcus Stonelius. Then email address. So tutorial like this. I'm going to add a phone number. And street address, I'm going to add like this. Hawaii, and here we are. So when you're going to fill the mailing address and also the contact person, go further to next. And now you can have the state filling time. So I recommend going with the 3 weeks, but if you want, you can go with the 2 business days. But there is a possibility to go with the platinum version, and in that regard, you don't have to go with the 2 business days. Now I'm going to add an LLC name, and I'm going to say Sunwe like this, and designator. You can have LLC, limited liability company. You choose the ending here. And then number of owners is going to be 1. But if you have more, you just select it here. Then business purpose. So let's say I'm in marketing consulting services. So I'll go marketing services for small business owners. Industry keyword is going to be marketing services. Like this. And then you're going to add the company address information. Of course, you can add the company address information, the one that you added as a street address, city, state, and then just press next here. Here, you're going to have options to also upgrade for premium service package. And these are like the expedited filling time service that you would have it in 2 business days and you're good to go with your business. And then you're going to have the 25 high quality legal documents as operating agreement, release of liability, terms of service, privacy policy, everything here. So when you're going to have it, you're going to have also options to have a domain name, business email address, then get upgrade and bonus. Or no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity. I recommend going with the get upgrade and bonus. Now you have options to have like adding the members here. So we added, if you're gonna have 2 members and more, you would have it right here like 2 members. But if you're a lone member, you can choose if you're representing a company or as an individual. I'm representing individual myself, so right now I'll just simply add here my name, the address, and 100% of ownership. I'll press next here, and then Hawai requires on an LLC to appoint a registered agent. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to do, is going with assign Incfile as my registered agent. That's something that I recommend definitely. You got it for free. Go ahead and do it because you're going to save time with it. Then press next. And here, Intex in identification number. So I'll just add my name here and SSN number. So then you just simply add a number here. And then you're gonna add also the physical street address when you have it. And then just press next here. And then you are gonna have option to set up your own business. So Bank of America Small Business Specialist contact me. This is something that you can create your own business account. I will go no, not at this time, but of course you can do it if you want. Now, another thing is that what you can have is a tax strategy free consultation. This is something that I would definitely recommend to have, is like you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to choose the proper IRS tax election. So that's all what you can do, and just simply press next here. Now you need to have 2 licenses, and this is something that I would definitely again recommend for you to do and not do it by yourself, is that yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. So I would definitely fill it out. And then when you're gonna have the yes, you have to just like fill the street address here. And when you're gonna press yes and fill the address, then just simply press next. And then you're gonna have the last thing, our review order. So this is the order, like the agent, company, formation, member, business tax consultation, Intex info, and then just simply press next here. And then you're gonna have the billing information, where you would add the first name, last name, address, card number, and in the moment when you're gonna like fill everything out and finish the order, then they are going to contact you from Incfile, and you're good to go. And you can actually focus on, let's say, creating a website or developing a business or going selling. I don't know. But this is something that I would definitely recommend for you to do. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can share down below in the comments if you liked it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. And of course, this is how you can do it. I always recommend guys, focus on actually creating the business, making the money, providing value to people, and leave the creation of the company to other companies, outsource it. So that's something that I would definitely do. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.